Grammy-nominated dancehall artist Spice has been featured on NPR's 100 Best Songs of 2021 list. Spice's hit collaboration Good Dong Day, which features Shaggy and Sean Paul, secured the number 48 spot on the list. In the article shared on NPR's official website, the writer Otis Hart describes the track as the dancehall track of the year, while adding that Good Dong Day sits among, if not the top, of her greatest hits. Good Dong Day was released in May 2021 and has gained over 35 million streams on YouTube. The song is also featured on the Grammy-nominated album 10. Jamaican author and 2015 Man Booker Prize winner Marlon James is set to write a 6-part crime drama series dubbed Get Millie Black. Get Millie Black is scheduled to go into production in 2022 and will be filmed in the UK and Jamaica. The series will be produced by Motive Pictures and follows Millie Jean Black, a police detective who was forced to quit Scotland Yard and return home to Jamaica, where shortly after she is pursuing a missing persons case that threatens to expose more than she may be willing to confront. Marlon James is known for his famed novels John Crow's Devil, The Book of Night Women, and the award-winning book A Brief History of 7 Killings. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime. Thank you for watching.